Little disclaimer that there's gonna be a lot of burping and there's gonna be some vomit sounds later on, so yeah. Bro, I just opened this Coca-Cola and I chugged it. And then it was because I chugged it because I just ate some soggy Cocoa Pebbles. I'm about to chug another Coca-Cola because the last one I did made me sound like a pig. Okay, this is not gonna be good, and I probably shouldn't get another Coca-Cola after this one. But it's one of these small ones, so 3, 2, 1. No, I have to drink the rest. Oh, bro. I don't recommend doing this. I'm gonna have hiccups for like 3 hours now. Bro, it was a mistake. I have to throw up now. Anyway, I have to like. Bro. Lesson learned? If you eat soggy Cocoa Pebbles, you'll go crazy and then you'll want to chug one Coca-Cola. Do the challenge, try not to burp. You burp very loud. You find it funny. You do another one and then you burp again and then you feel sick. Moral of the story. Don't be like. Bro, I can't even finish my sentence. Moral of the story. Don't be like me. Hi guys, I'm just getting rid of my throw up. Moral of the story. Don't be like me, who chugs a whole thing of Coca-Cola after you eat soggy Cocoa Pebbles. And then after you drink that one, you take a break for like 2 minutes, and then I still have sodium in my stomach. And then drinks another one. Also, by the way, I might do another one later after my stomach settles.